What's up, YouTube? It is All Black Blazing here with another range video. We here with Bumble and we have the camera lady Nay as well. Today's escapades is we just bought a new target that's really small. So we're gonna put that through its paces. We're gonna do a couple of different situations and drills, and then we're gonna switch to concealed. I gotta hold this closer. We're gonna switch to concealed because I just got a new holster in and I'm eager to try it. Today I'll be doing the Joe Farwell drill for February, which is you start with nothing in your gun, off the beep, you reload, do 4 shots, reload again, do 2 shots. I'll make sure I measure everything up because that'll be really fun. Our first drill is gonna be bill drills. For him, we're gonna try to keep it under the 2.5. For me, I'm gonna try to keep it under the 2 second. I don't wanna put too much strain on him. That was a 189. He not ready? I'll run another one. That was a 172. All clean, of course, because that's the only way to do stuff around here. Ready?
Ready.
Stand by. That was a 358. Remember, your goal is to hit 2.5. I need you to be 2.5 or less. That was a 292. Stand by. That was a 331. All right, so for this session here, for this segment, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start from here off the beep. We're gonna run up to here. We're gonna shoot 2 in the, I'll just walk up, 2 in this target, 2 in this target, 2 in this target, reload, and then same thing again, 2, 2, 2. So that way we'll be moving around a little bit and you'll be able to get some reloads in there. So yeah, let's start it.
Time.
10:04. $13.63. Stand by. That was a 949. That's a 707. All right, so this is the X drill, I believe. We're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're not gonna crouch. We're gonna do one shot from standstill right here, and then Well, no, off the beat, we're gonna step, shoot one, shoot two, and then come back over and shoot two. So this is my first time doing this one, so let's see how it runs. Stand by. That was a 390. I'll take it. That was a 376. Stand by. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, stand by.
There you go. Nicked it. Yep.
I'm not shoot my come back at me for real. Stand by. This is my first shot. That was a 528. Ready? Stand by. Tell me why I got hit with shrapnel again. That's crazy. I'm the only one getting hit. 703. Then we can keep this fluid. Ready?
Yep.
Stand by. On this part of the video, we're gonna end up doing the self-defense from concealment. I'm actually running the Tier 1 concealment, what is it, the TRX, the best one that they got with the custom cant. Just got it, so I'm super excited to run this. We're gonna be running some self-defense drills on this guy right here. So we're gonna run through a different couple of real life scenarios and see, I gotta keep this up in my mouth, and see how people hold up, how Bumble holds up, what's his time and everything. Should be a good one. Let's run it. Oh my God! It's a 160 flat. Stand by. These gut shots are hurt. 265. All right.
Time.
148.
You gave him a belly button.
I did give him a belly button. Oh, beautiful.
That was nice.
233. Nice. Stand by. That was a 181. Okay. Stand by. That's raised, but you definitely made up for the high shot there. That was a 209. Bye. $141.
That's good.
Stand by. That was a 208.
2 seconds.
All right. $138.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
You got 2.34.
$158.
Good job.
All right, ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
There you go.
182, that was good. On this portion here, we're gonna start from right here. We're gonna hit both metal targets. We're gonna run over here. We're gonna hit these two on the far right. And then we're going to come over on this side and hit these two on the far left. So I'm gonna run the benchmark right quick and then let's see what times we get on this thing. Let's run it. Stand by. $871. All right. Stand by. That was looks like a clean run at a 12:01. Stand by. $781. $802. $1150. $896.
$653.
Time.
997.
Good.
Ready?
Yep. Charlie. Tom.
592.
That was a 687. Clean run. All those are clean.
That shit did not want to track you running
At
again.
a 611. Those shots should be consistent. Spaces.
What's your time, bud? 94.
$632. 867.
$12.16. I don't know how many of those I missed, but it was an 829.
You recording? Alright. $7.18. Should have got new targets for this challenge. $4.19. Shit. There you go.
I almost did it.
Yeah.
Time?
6:35.
There you go. That was a lot of smooth.
592.
592. That's not bad.
What was Joe's time?
Joe's time was 385.
385.
385. Alright, stand by. That was a 645. Still back there. Just so we hear 4 pings reloading, then I come over here. That was a 421 with a mishap. If I had that mishap, it would have been pretty straight. Face. Ready?
Ready.
Stand by. That was a 785. Ready? Help! All right, YouTube, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the multiple different scenario situations and drills. Joe, I beat you. Now, that's a really hard drill. It's a lot of concentration and a lot of technique that has to go into that. So that's definitely a good drill to try. I don't know, man. We're definitely going to have to start getting some drills from multiple people and start bringing them out here and doing it. That's pretty fun to do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next one.